Jamaica, an island of resilience, rich culture, and boundless spirit. Today we stand together with our beloved homeland in the aftermath of history's most powerful storm, Hurricane Melissa, a Category 5 that tested the very heart of our nation. Our story has always been one of endurance. From our colonial roots to countless storms before, Jamaica has weathered the fiercest winds and risen stronger each time. But Hurricane Melissa was unlike any before it, a storm of historic force that swept across our parishes, leaving devastation in its wake. Roofs torn away, crops destroyed, roads and rivers overwhelmed. In those long, uncertain hours, it seemed the island itself held its breath. Yet through the darkness, Jamaica's spirit burned bright. Communities came together. Neighbors shared food and shelter. Strangers became family. Faith carried us when fear threatened to take hold. This is the Jamaica the world knows, resilient, compassionate, unbreakable. We remember Hurricane Melissa not only for the pain it brought, but for the lessons it taught, the need for preparedness, unity, and swift response. Now is the time to act, to rebuild stronger, smarter, and together. Let us support the families and farmers rebuilding their lives. Donate to trusted relief efforts. Share verified information. Champion programs that strengthen our infrastructure and train our communities for future challenges. When we unite, we do more than recover. We rise. Jamaica, land we love. Your strength inspires us. Your beauty calls us home. And your people remind the world what true resilience looks like. Together, we honor the past and build a brighter, more resilient Jamaica for generations to come.